Hello everyone. Hi Uncle.
Hi Kana ka.
Hello.
Kumusta Mus?
It's okay. Don't worry about me. Hi Kuya King. Long time no see. Sinong wala dito? Si Julie. Ate Julie. Where is she? Ah, so far?
Okay, si Wilson, di siya?
No, wala merchant marine. Hi, Ate Julie. Say hi. Yeah.
Ninang?
Ninang nga eh. Ano ba yan? Ninang pala ako. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. How you guys doing here?
Good, we're having a good time.
Of course, you have to have a good time.
Here's our pretty photographer.
There you go. Thank you. How's everything? You okay?
Thank you.
It's recording right here.
You're taking everybody's picture, but you're not in it.
So wait.
I know, she's so nice.
Let's bus go that way. Hello, good Daniel, how are you?
Hi, good.
How's everything? There.
Doing good.
Good.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Oh,
yeah,
where's everybody?
Everybody. Where's everybody? Well, who's
Sisters.
everybody?
Our sisters.
Yo over
Right
there.
there?
There's Lorene.
Oh, that's right.
All right. And I don't know where Alicia is.
It's me again. Don't be tired of my face.
Don't tell you where to go though. I just forgot.
Hello, how you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Fine, thank you. This is going to YouTube. Hello. You see your face?
Woohoo, Joycelyn.
Yes.
Joycelyn and Dean.
Say something about her.
Here's toast. Congratulations.
All right. Yay. Thank you.
Good orange juice.
Thank you, guys. You are going to YouTube. Say hi to Bride. All right.
Congratulations.
Hi to Puerto Rico. Hi.
Puerto Rico. You have to say something? Say something for her. For both of them.
Congratulations. Be happy and forever. You know, just be happy and you know.
Beautiful marriage.
It is.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
You want to say something?
Congratulations, Joycelyn and Dean.
Congratulations.
Okay, that sounds good. Thank you. Hello. You're going to YouTube. Say hi to the bride and the groom. You want to say something?
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Love you guys.
I love you too. All right, thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Whoa, I like that. How's everything here?
Good.
Wow, that's nice. It's a good one. Yummy. What is that? Roast beef?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for serving this party. Thank you. Thank you so much. Excuse me? Sorry. Hi, it's me. You want to say something for your cousin or? Oh, really? Okay, I have to go there.